Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the AI image generation. Which AI tool will be the best? Okay, so first what you are going to do is first I am going to test out the AI tool. So I'm going to start, go to that ChatGPT. So ChatGPT first, before you have to generate the image, first you have to get the prompt. Okay, from how to generate the prompt, there are lot of students, they don't know how to generate the prompt. So first you have to tell them simple English. So I'm going to tell them, okay, I just tell them I need a I need you to give me the good prompt, best prompt, okay, best prompt for image generation, for image generation. Okay, so you have to put this colon and you type whatever things you need inside the double quotation. You have to write, I need you to give the, we have to tell them the ChatGPT give the best prompt. So uh, the ticks realtics background of Indian school. The realtics background of Indian school. You click on it, you can see best from generation, the high quality here. They given the good prompt. Okay, so that you can see the empty school background, village school style. There are lot of things. That is that ChatGPT is very good. So this is a prompt, the high quality Indian school campus during the work. Okay, so let's copy this prompt. Okay, and back to my, don't use this tool to generate the image. You can generate it by, i'm I'm going to generate that my tool. This is the, someone heard this one, someone might have, someone might not have this tool, cr.ai. Or this is a tool, you can use it for your image generations. Okay, video generation you can use it, but that this is not completely free. But the each day they are given 130 credits. So you can go to that image generation. Per day they given here 130 credits per day. You can generate the image until that credit finish. The free credit you, they each day given, every day they are given 130 credits. It's enough for to generate the image. So you have right on Tato the one standard mode one. I need to generate the, you can the image size whatever you want for your requirements. You can select upon your requirements. So that these are the five, this is the image, how many image you are generated simultaneously. So I am going to create select the simultaneously three images, right? So that uh, the per image generation 10 credits goes. Okay, if we are going to generate 30 credits are gone. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. I have to paste it over here, click generate. Okay, you have to wait until the image generation is complete. It takes some time to complete it, so you can write waiting to start. Okay, this first time it is preparing something else. After that only it is generating. You have to wait until the process completed. Okay, ready in about 5 minutes. Ready in about 5 minutes. It is completed within about 5 minutes. Okay, so you have to wait until the things. Okay, here these are the one image. Okay, so that I'm going to, this one I'm going to change it as my desktop look. This one, the same prompt I'm going to put it here. Again I'm going to generate it. So you can see here, this very fast, this generating very fast. You can see this generating very fast. This is for your mobile. This is Indian school background. You can see, okay, the Indian school background, the short form. So this is the I'm going to generate it for my desktop version. So let's see the mobile version. It's look like this. You will be able to generate the mobile version as well. So that this desktop version, you can see the desktop, the same school, you can see the desktop. Okay, so that so far this good. Okay, this is very good. You will be able to see this very good background widget it generated for CAI, CRTA. So same other hand, I'm going to go to try on the Gemini. Gemini is a very good tool for generating the images, this kind of images. Okay, so let's copy this prompt and paste on it here. Here you have to select the, you can tell them before that I need you to generate an image based on on given prompt. That's it. That's the thing you have to tell them. Okay, the ChatGPT which has a which has the best advantage of just sorry the Gemini which has a very best AI tool which is a Nana Banana is very famous. Okay, the which generated the image is very realistic. So here you can see rather than that this is a very best here. This is a look like an Indian school. It is a very good image. You will be able. This is a completely AI image, so it's generated very well. Okay, you can see this very well AI image generation. Okay, so you can see that the difference between this and this is I like this. Okay, this tool also best. Okay, this is not we can't tell them this is a blank school. This is a blank school background. It's all look like old. This is a the this school is blank without student. This is with student. That is a different. Okay, this is a different. You can see, right? Best thing you can see. So the ChatGPT also you can do the same thing, but that is, but I'm not going to try this one. But it's that. Okay, so let's try on the ChatGPT as well. This let's try on the ChatGPT as well. The same thing. I need same thing like a Gemini. Given the prompt of this one. How ChatGPT works. Okay, you have to use the generate keyword, then only the image is generating. So let's check it. The image is generating. Let's check how the ChatGPT image display based on our prompt. Okay, so that this kind of realistics characters always win Gemini. Okay, so that Gemini Nano Banana tool is a very best tool compared to other tools for that. So that this ChatGPT also generated that image. So that is okay. This is the ChatGPT which give us the image. This is okay. This is the ChatGPT which given us. So this also the good, but this then our Gemini given as a very best. Okay, this is very difficult stuff to identify which is AI or real. Okay, so this also that the things we can't identify whether this is the AI or this one we can identify simply. This is AI here. Okay, well that is the things. Okay, this one we can't sometimes we cannot identify. Okay, so that the same thing that we can tell them that the AI told to the reality which student. Okay. Now let's check the this prompt as well. Click on it. So put into this AI tool and check on it. Let's check this one. Two images enough. So other AI tool I am not going to check it, so that this AI tool you can see the reveal secret of CRT AI compared to I already the image generation, so that when you need some school background or some other any other backgrounds, okay, so that when you go to some other places you need a background, okay, you have to mention the place name. Upon the place name, the background has been generated. Okay, that is the AI tool that capable everything. Okay, that is a it has a ability to capable everything. Here, here, simple. Here is also the good, like Indian school. Okay, that the faces are they are blurring, something blurring. Okay, they are not generated, but it's also good. Okay, you try out this kind of example, this very best things. Thank you for watching.